Hi everyone, are you ready to tap into the limitless potential of digital entrepreneurship? Do you dream of turning your skills and passion into a thriving online business? Then you are on the right place. Welcome to Orbis Maverick, where we'll explore everything from content creation and graphic design to creating and selling digital products, websites, and apps. Wanting to turn your side hustle into a full-time gig? I'm here to guide you every step of the way. And together, let's unleash your creativity and make your mark into the digital world. Content creation. Content creation is a popular way to earn money digitally. You can offer your services to businesses, websites, individuals who need content for their online platforms. Content creation includes writing articles, blog posts, social media contents, video script, and many more. And here are some steps you can take to get started as a content creation. The first step is to find clients. There are several online platforms where you can find freelance writing gigs such as Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, and more. And you can also reach out to business or individuals directly and offer your services. Like mostly you can approach to your local community business. And the second is set your rate. Determine a rate based on your experience, niche, and the complexity of the project. You can charge per words per article or per project. And the last thing is deliver high quality work. As a content creator, your reputation is important, so make sure to deliver high quality work on time and communicate effectively with your clients. For example, if you are passionate about fitness, you can specialize in creating content related to fitness and health. You can write articles for fitness vlogs, create social media contents for fitness brands, or even create videos for fitness YouTube channels. As a freelancer, you can work with multiple clients and build a steady income stream from your content creation services. You can also use ChatGPT to get content help for your freelancing projects. As a language model, ChatGPT can generate text based on the prompts and inputs you provide, making it a useful tool for creating high-quality content quickly and easily. For example, you can use ChatGPT to help you with writing blogging posts and articles, creating social media contents, developing email marketing campaigns, crafting product description and sales copy, creating video scripts and captions, generating ideas for content and marketing strategies, editing and proofreading content. Simply provide ChatGPT with necessary prompts and information, and it will generate text for you that you can use as is or edit to fit your needs. This can save you a significant amount of time and effort when working on freelancing projects and can help you provide higher quality content. Selling digital products. Creating and selling digital products is a great way to earn money online. Digital products can include a wide range of items such as courses, ebooks, softwares, and digital art. The key to success in this field is to create a product that provides real value to customer and they are willing to pay for it. One of the benefits of creating digital products is that once they are created, they can be sold repeatedly without any additional efforts or any part of the creator. ChatGPT can be used to help create high-quality digital products such as ebooks and online courses. It can assist in generating ideas, developing outlines, and even writing content for the product. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT, students can create digital products that are well-written, informative, and engaging without having to spend a lot of time on the actual writing process. And also there are several websites that can help you find trending products to sell online, like Google Trends. This is a free tool from Google that allows you to see what people are searching for on the internet. You can use it to find popular products and niche markets like Amazon bestsellers, Etsy trending, Shopify trending products. So these are the useful platforms where you can find the trending products to sell your digital products. Creating website and apps. There are several website builders like Wix, Squarespace and WordPress that allow you to create website with no coding experience. However, if you have web development skills, you can create customized website and charge a premium price for your services. Similarly, you can create mobile apps using app builders like AppyPie and Buildfire, or learn programming languages like Java and Swift to create custom apps. These apps can be used for e-commerce, entertainment and education, or any other purposes. You can also use ChatGPT to assist you in creating your website or app. With the help of ChatGPT, you can generate ideas for your website or app and get suggestions for design, layout and features. This can save you a lot of time and effort and help you create a high quality website or app that meets your client's requirements. Affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a popular method of earning money online, where you promote other people's product and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. To get started as an affiliate marketer, you first need to find out niche that interests you and research product within that niche that have affiliate programs. Then, you need to sign up for the affiliate program and receive a unique referral link. To promote the product, you can create content such as blog posts, videos, or social media posts that highlights the product benefits and include your referral link. One advantage of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own product or handle any customer service. Your job is simply to drive traffic to the product and earn a commission for any resulting sales. ChatGPT can also be helpful for affiliate marketers in creating high quality contents and marketing materials to promote the product. You can use the AI-powered tool to generate product description, marketing copy, and even social media posts to help you promote the product effectively. Starting a podcast. Starting a podcast can be a great way to earn money digitally. To start a podcast, you will need to come up with a topic or niche that you are passionate about, and that has an audience. Once you have your topic, you will need to choose a format for your podcast, such as interview style, storytelling, or educational. Once you have recorded and edited your podcast, you can distribute it on popular podcasting platforms such as Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. To earn money as a podcaster, you can monetize your podcast through advertising, sponsorship, and merchandise sales. Additionally, ChatGPT can help with researching and generating content ideas, as well as providing support with editing and transcribing podcast episodes. One way to get started with podcasting is to use online resources such as free podcast hosting platforms like Anchor or Spotify for Podcaster, where you can upload your podcast for free. Check out the link. You can get to the link in my description. There are numerous ways for students to earn money digitally. The key is to find a niche aligns with your skills and interests. Remember to leverage the power of technology, such as using ChatGPT to assist with content creation, and constantly update your skills to stay ahead of the curve. With hard work, dedication, and creativity, you can turn your digital venture into a profitable and rewarding career. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep exploring.